Okay, we're going to take a quick look at this. Ed Wusthoff Solingen, Germany knife. And it comes with this scabbard. Really cool looking scabbard. The scabbard does have an issue though. It's got torn leather right here near the snap. And take the knife out. And the way you operate this folds down. You press on it, and then it releases it. And then you can fold it out, like so. Then it locks into place. You can see right here, Ed Wusthoff, Solingen, rust-free. Probably not saying that right. There are some issues. On the handle, you can see there's a little piece broken off right there. The blade is pretty clean, except there is one issue. The tip. I'm going to try to show you. Here, you might be able to see it like this. The tip is a little bit bent. There, you can see it there. It looks like they probably pried something with that tip at some point. Just barely bent. There, you can kind of see it there too. But otherwise, the blade is really nice, really clean. It's got some fingerprints on it now. But I didn't really see any issues with the blade other than that tip. And then when you want to close it, it's the same thing. This turns into a button when you press it, and then you can fold it back up. And then it clips into place like that. It will not open until you hit this button. Thanks for watching.